Welcome back to our channel. We are in New York City at the headquarters of the United Nations. 6,900 jobs are on the chopping block. Offices are closing and departments are merging. Agencies are scrambling to cut 20% of staffing costs. This is the UN80 initiative. This is happening right now. Not last year, not the next year. 6,900 United Nations jobs are on the chopping block. Agencies are scrambling to cut 20% of staffing costs. And duty stations, they're being shifted halfway across the world. If you're applying to UN jobs the same way you did 6 months ago, you're already behind. So in this video, I'll show you how to apply strategically while the ground is still shaking beneath the system. But wait a minute, let's back up a little bit, because here there's something you don't see in mission briefings. UN peacekeeping is constantly broke. Since the late 90s, funding delays and political caps, especially from major donors, have crippled operations. The US, for example, is supposed to pay about 27% of peacekeeping costs, but it can only legally pay 25%. The results? Delayed deployments, grounded convoys, missions without meds, fuel, or staff. When enough countries delay payments, the entire system stalls. Even with a green light from the Security Council, nothing moves until the money arrives. So next time you're stuck in the field wondering why support is late, remember, it's not just logistics.
We have no money.
It's a funding crisis nobody talks about, but everyone feels. Let's anchor the facts. Over 6,900 posts are expected to be cut in the UN Secretariat alone. Departments have been told to reduce budgets by 15 to 20%. Agencies instructed to submit cutbacks plans by mid-2025. Wait a minute. Oh, that's now. Agencies submitted staffing cutbacks plans, and roles are shifting from Geneva and New York to Nairobi, Bangkok, Amman, and Dakar. The application landscape is no longer slow and steady. It's fast, lean, and competitive. You need to change how you search, how to apply, and how to compete. Yes, jobs are still being posted, but not where you think.
Where should we focus now?
Number 1, ReliefWeb. This is for emergency operations and fast deployment. Number 2, we have UNOPS, especially for infrastructure, crisis support, and consulting roles. Number 3, we have UNDP. Think governance, climate innovation, digital programs. Number 4, we have WFP and WHO. This is logistics, emergency response, and health systems. And number 5, the UNHCR Emergency Roster for high priority search deployments. Set alerts, tailor your profiles, and remember, the UN is no longer one door, it's a moving maze.
How should I adapt my application strategy?
To stand out during the UN80 reshuffle, you need to sound like a solution, not just a hopeful candidate. Here is how. Tailor your CV for each job. Use keywords straight from the terms of reference. Focus on impact, agility, and crisis readiness. Make your cover letter field-focused. Talk about how you solve problems, especially in underfunded, high-pressure settings. Cross-sectoral skills are gold right now. Pair your discipline with logistics, cybersecurity, or program coordination. And speak in outcomes. Don't say,
provided support.
You know how ridiculous that sounds?
Instead, say reduced response time by 30% during operational search. CBI or competency-based interviews are now the standard. Expect questions like, tell me about a time you delivered results under pressure. Or, describe a situation where you demonstrated inclusion and collaboration. What they're really assessing are the UN 4 core values and 5 core behaviors. If you're applying for a position with the UN, you should know this. So just last week, I heard someone before your interview, always check the terms of reference of the positions you're applying. If a specific value or behavior is explicitly mentioned, you must give it special emphasis in your examples. That's a clear hint. They will ask you about it. So let's review the full framework. Inclusion, welcoming and leveraging diversity in all forms. Integrity, acting honestly, ethically, and with accountability. Humility, being open to learning and recognizing others' contribution. Humanity, placing compassion and empathy at the center of your decisions. Now, the 5 UN behaviors are connect and collaborate. Basically is building partnership and working effectively with others. Analyze and plan. Using data and insight to guide priorities and decisions. Deliver results with positive impact. Staying focused on outcomes and sustainable change. Learn and develop. Seeking feedback and using experiences to grow. Adapt to change, which is responding to change with curiosity and creativity. Now your job is to bring those values to life. Prepare 5 STAR stories. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. Stories that show how you include diverse voices in decision making, how you plan under pressure using limited data, how you delivered impact during a crisis, how you applied feedback and grew, and how you adapted or innovated when systems broke down. During the UN80 initiative, the bar is higher.
It's unfortunate, but the stakes are too high.
It's not just about being qualified, it's about being aligned with what the UN needs right now.
So, Nikos, what are the most common mistakes to avoid?
Don't apply only through Inspira. Many agencies are recruiting outside the system. Don't send the same generic CV to every job. Tailoring is non-negotiable. Do not ignore short-term consultancies. They're often the fastest entry points during freezes. And don't dismiss duty stations. Today, the field is a new HQ. We are not in a post-UN80 world. We are right in the thick of it. Every week you wait to adapt, your chances shrink. But if you act now, you can still carve out your place in the system. All right, this is your action plan. 4 things. 1, track the right job portals. 2, tailor every application. 3, prepare outcome-based STAR stories. And 4, build visibility on LinkedIn and emergency rosters. And this is it. If this helped, like this video, share it with someone who is still refreshing Inspira, and subscribe for more field-tested strategies. This is Emergency Made Simple. Stay strong, think smart, and always be prepared.